Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how to fit all of your text into one cell if you have a lot of text in Excel. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up Excel if you haven't already. After opening up Excel guys, you will want to go ahead and either create a new workbook or select the Excel file that you want to edit. So guys, let's say this is the Excel file that we want to use for today, and as you can see, after entering our file guys, you will be greeted by a table right here. Yours will differ, and let's say that we want to create a column which has a lot of text. So let's say guys, just go ahead and type in anything that you want. And let's say that now we have a lot of text right here and it is in one cell, but we want it to look much more nicer so that it can fit all in one cell right here. So guys, how do you do that? Well, it's very easy. What you want to do guys is go ahead and select the cell where the text is. Make sure it is the correct cell. You cannot click here as this is not where the text is. You want to click right here in this cell guys, and now all you have to do is go ahead and to the upper corner right here and click this option right here called wrap text. So guys, go ahead and click on wrap text right here. And as you can see here guys, now our text has successfully been merged all into one cell. And guys, this still doesn't look very pretty, so all we want to do guys is go ahead and just drag it to the right guys. If you want, you can go ahead and select the column right here to drag it out and it will look much nicer. So guys, yeah, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.